Welcome, this is Martin again at Corvalent, and this is our new baby, the R68AX motherboard. It's finally out. And it's real, it's not vaporware. So if you look at this board, this is based on the R680E embedded chipset from Intel, and it supports both the Raptor Lake and the Alder Lake, so there will be the 12th and the 13th generation processors. Very exciting. We did all the bells and whistles on this one. Back I/O, very familiar to all of you guys that use our products. We also have our serial ports, RS-422, 485. We have a VGA port. We have two 2.5 gig Ethernet, so you got a nice boost in there. Audio still, and display port. So you have all the regular connectivity that you already know and like. In addition to that, we're gonna have now DDR5. It's 128 gigabyte of memory on DDR5. Nice bump on performance right there and on speed. The PCIe slot by 16 is gonna be 5.0, so it's the latest and greatest that you can get on an embedded platform. 5.0, a lot of guys are releasing this kind of board with PCIe 4.0, and that kind of defeats the purpose. So we did it with a 5.0 to get the maximum advantage of this chipset. We have a nice combination of PCIe by 1s and PCIe by 4s. They're all 4.0 and one slot is 3.0. Our M.2s are also NVMe and 4.0, and we increased the size to a 22-110. There's ways for you to obviously put a smaller size M.2 in here, but these guys are 4.0, 2210, so very high performance, high speed, also RAID or RST compatible. Internally, we have extra connections, not only for additional serial ports that are also 42, 485, but also we have a TTL level serial port for modules, any IoT module that you may have that is TTL level, USB 2.0 header, a USB 3.0 header, old style 5 gigs, old style but still very useful. M.2E connector for your Wi-Fi and your Bluetooth. SATA ports, we have up to five connectors on board, so it allows you to not only do RAID, different types of RAID, but any connectivity or any extra configuration that you want to set up on this guy. The internal, we have also two high-speed internal USB ports, 3.0. Some people are calling them USB-C, even though it's a connector, but okay, let's call it a USB-C. One is going to be a Gen 2x1, the other one is a Gen 2x2. So you have 10 and 20 gigabits per second on these USB ports, and also have the PD, like on the W48, the PD allowing up to 100 watts to be supported on this connector. That's going to be very exciting for you guys. 2.5 gigabits per second, already mentioned that. So this is the board to have, okay? This is one of the first boards that came out of the fresh of the oven. So place your orders and talk to our sales guys here and place your orders, because this board's gonna really sell very quickly. Thank you very much and have a great day.